Pixel 7 Pro and the iPhone 14 Pro Max are two of the best flagship devices, but one of them is better in value than other. Yes, you guessed it right. The Pixel 7 Pro will provide you better value with amazing performance and capabilities at an amazing price. In fact, you can buy the Pixel 7 Pro with the price of iPhone 14 Plus model, which is going to be more expensive if you are not living in the US. On the other hand, the Pixel 7 Pro will give you a best deal when you are in the UK market, because there you get a Pixel Watch free alongside with the Pixel 7 Pro if you pre-order the device, which is an amazing thing. Even if you are in the US, you can get the $200 credit, which is great, and it will save you at least $200 for your upcoming purchase for Pixel 7 Pro, which is coming with some amazing things. Now let's compare both of these devices, and starting with the design, both of these devices are going to be coming with a unique design from rest of the competition. Like the Pixel 7 Pro is going to be coming with a horizontal camera bump on the back side with a triple camera sensor, whereas the iPhone 14 Pro Max is coming with a triple camera setup in a square shape. Both of these devices are coming with a different materials. I like the matte finish on the iPhone 14 Pro Max as compared to the glossy look on the Pixel 7 Pro. I really wish that Google has implemented the matte finish on its devices, but still it's going to be not visible because everyone will be using the case on the back. Now on the front of the device, you get a clean design with a single punch hole on the Pixel 7 Pro, whereas the iPhone 14 Pro Max comes with a notch which has some cool new features. But in pure aesthetic, I feel the Pixel 7 Pro is the good one. Now iPhone 14 Pro Max comes with the highest peak brightness in any smartphone, which is 2000 nits compared to the 1500 nits on the Pixel 7 Pro. So definitely the iPhone 14 Pro Max has an edge there, and in direct sunlight it will improve the outdoor visibility much better as compared to the Pixel device. Both phones will have the 120Hz refresh rate, but the Pixel 7 Pro will be coming with 10Hz to 120Hz LTPO panel, whereas the 1Hz to 120Hz refresh rate panel is coming for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which is definitely going to be having a great edge when it comes to battery saving. Now for the first time, Google cameras are finally going to be competing against the likes of Apple thanks to the new Tensor G2 machine learning and Google computational photography, and it's now going to be upgrading its computational photography and machine learning for the videos as well, because this year Google is going to be bringing some major improvement in terms of the software, which will bring some of the features like magic eraser, astrophotography, real tones, and photo unblur, which will work on any photos to clear the blurriness of your photos in your photo app. And we have the new super zoom capability as well, which will give you a 5x zoom capability, which is going to be 3x on the iPhone series, and it's going to be amazing, and it can go up to 30 times digital super zoom, which is better than the iPhone. 4K video recording of all the lenses are going to be supported, and the cinematic blur is going to be coming for the first time in the Google Pixel Pro. And although we don't know how it's going to perform, and still it's going to be great to have this feature. The iPhone 14 Pro Max are also coming with an upgraded camera sensor, which are going to be again very best when it comes to the videos, but when it comes to the photos, there is still improvements to be needed because the HDR is not consistent as compared to the S22 Ultra and the Pixel 7 Pro. And let's not forget to have a new ultra wide camera that is going to be bringing a macro focus opportunity for your camera sensor, which will definitely take a good quality of macro shots. Now the one key area where the iPhone 14 Pro Max is still the best one, and it's the better than any other smartphone, is going to be in the battery department. Now for the Pixel 7 Pro, we do have the battery improvement from the last year thanks to this new power efficient chip, but still the iPhone 14 Pro Max will give you much better battery life because of its new powerful A16 Bionic chipset, which is still one of the best mobile chip in terms of the optimization, so no other company come close in this. Plus the iOS 16 is going to be much more optimized, that's why it's getting a big battery boost. Anyhow, the Android 13 will be powering the new Pixel 7 Pro, which is also going to be coming with some customization and improvement. Now, one of the biggest and probably most important area where Google has given iPhone and Samsung a real hit this year is the pricing. Really, in just $899, you are getting one of the best device available. Now, even one of the more valuable device will be the Pixel 7, which is coming with $599, and it's packing the same main and ultra wide camera sensor as in the Pixel 7 Pro. It will be having the same processor, 4K 60 FPS for all the cameras, cinematic blur, super red zoom, and good processor, which will make this as the ultimate value for money device. And you guys, what do you think about both of these devices? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Be sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Peace.